As you guys can probably tell, I'm on the dyno currently, and I wanted to teach you really quickly how to put an F30 in dyno mode. These cars are known to slip on the dyno from time to time, and this can help save a lot of frustration. So you start off by pushing BC here. Just push it once to get to the home screen. We're gonna hold down this key here, this little button on the left. And what that's gonna do is bring up that screen, keep holding, and you're gonna get to a secret menu. And here's the secret menu. You're gonna push it 3 times to get down to start roller. Click and hold on the left again. So at this point, you're gonna come down and hold the ESC button. Keep holding, it says DSC off over here. We're gonna push this one more time to hold. It says start mode, mode 3, start roller, hold, press it once. We are in dyno mode. You guys are welcome. You can start your car up at this point. You're likely gonna need to do this every time you turn the car off. I'm pretty sure that's the case, but leave a comment if you know otherwise, if it holds it. All right, we're getting back to dynoing. All right, so you guys asked for more info on the N52 cam. We're gonna give it to you. Here is the graph from the baseline from today. We're starting off at 524, 576 as the max from the first 2 Pure Boost tunes. We've got Dave Shoup working on a tune now, and we'll see what his opinion is of this cam as well as the car overall.